Hey y'all, Kitchen Trap Queen here with some blueberry cheesecake pancakes. I know they look good. I know. I did that. If you're interested in learning how to make these, guys, stay tuned. First, we're going to start off with some softened cream cheese. You can't have cheesecake without cream cheese. And we're going to beat that until it's nice and smooth. And I apologize, y'all, that the bowl is not centered in the camera. That's kind of killing me right now, but y'all don't care about that. Anyways, now we're going to add in some sweetened condensed milk, and you're going to continue to beat that until they're nice and uniform, like on the screen. And then we're going to fold in some Cool Whip. This is just like the pudding mixture from my banana pudding waffles video. If you haven't seen that, I will link it on the screen, and you're gonna fold that in until it's nice and smooth. Look how smooth and fluffy that is. Ain't it nice? It is. It's good too. Anyways, now we're going to doctor up some pancakes. I usually make my pancakes from scratch, y'all, but now that I have a baby, shout out to me for pushing out a whole human. Now that I have a baby, I ain't got time for all that. So we're going to just take some regular box pancake mix, and we're going to doctor it up by using half and half instead of water. I know some people use milk, but I think when you use half and half, the flavor is better and they're more fluffier. And I'm going to add in just a drop of vanilla, and we're going to mix our pancake batter until it's nice and thick. The thicker your pancake mix, the thicker your pancakes will be. So now I'm going to take some butter, not margarine, to make my pancakes. The key to a perfectly round pancake, well, I won't say it's perfectly round, but the key to a nice round pancake is to make sure your batter is thick. Secondly, make sure you're pouring your batter in slowly. And then thirdly, you're just going to guide your pancake mix back into the shape of a circle. So you'll see me pour, and then see here, I'm taking my fork and I'm kind of like pushing that pancake batter back into a circle shape. And then you'll see me the same thing with my spatula. Just look how thick it is, y'all. See, that half and half does the trick every time. Also, make sure that your batter is thick. You don't want a runny batter. It looks so perfect. It just looks so perfect. Anyway, so now we're going to continue to make more pancakes. And you'll see that I'm going to do that same little spiel. I'm going to melt my butter. Then I'm going to pour my batter real slow. And then you're going to just take your fork and your spatula to kind of help guide your pancake into that circle shape. Now, you don't have to do this every time, y'all. If you just want, those perfect pancakes, do this. But I know some people don't care. Like my mama, she don't care how her pancakes look. She says as long as they good, she don't care how they look. But if you care about how your pancakes look, I would do this step to make them just perfect. So now you're gonna see me finish the rest of my pancakes. I ended up making 4 big, thick, fluffy pancakes with the batter that I put in my bowl. So now we're going to doctor up our blueberry pie filling. So I'm going to take a couple of tablespoons of butter and some sugar, and we're going to mix those up. Then you're going to add a drop of vanilla extract and continue to stir. And then I took a half of a lemon and I poured this into that butter mixture. So now we're going to add in our blueberry pie filling, and we're going to continue to mix that until all of your butter is mixed into the filling. And then we're going to loosen it up with a little bit of water. I've never had blueberry pie before, so I'm assuming you add cinnamon to it. I don't know. It's a pie. Don't you add cinnamon to pies? You add it to apple pie, peach cobbler, and stuff like that. I don't know. But it came out good with the cinnamon. If you want to omit that, that's fine. So now we're going to do my favorite part. My favorite part is assembling. So I'm going to take my pancake, and then on top of that, I'm going to add on my cream cheese mixture. And then on top of that, we're going to add on our blueberry pie filling. And then we're going to alternate. Y'all, these are some thick ass pancakes. Excuse my language. I'm sorry, mama. But these are some thick pancakes. I was going to do a layered pancake stack, but since they were so thick, I just stopped at 2. So if you are going to do this recipe and you want to do 3 layers, I would try to make your pancakes a little thinner. But that's it, y'all. Blueberry cheesecake pancakes. I outdid myself this time. I try to outdo myself with every video, and I always never ceases to amaze me what I come up with. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I will see you guys in the next video.